I just clicked on format cells. This is what I did. I first selected from this cell down to the edge, right clicked on it and clicked on format cell. Format cell is here, then push it by the side. We want it to accept numbers, but not just any kind of number. What kind of number do we want? So we need to indicate the kind of numbers we want. So you choose the number format that you want. Place is asking us how many decimal places, numbers that has decimal points. If you want such, you can indicate. But for now, we don't want a number that has decimal points. So we want a number that is more professional. Fractions, text, special characters. This is what we want. Special characters, not just a number. It's going to be a phone number, and we click OK. So the phone number is back. So assuming we can edit this 080 again, 090 again, it may accept it, but it's still not accepting it. So we need to go back to that same place, format cells, push it to this side. It's the same phone numbers as we indicated earlier. You can give it a try by trying this custom. We customize our own number by ourselves. Click on general number. It's not going to give us what we want. So preferably, let's go back to the special, and then we indicate that I want it to start with plus sign and separators for phone numbers. So like this is for Nigeria, you say +234 before whatever you want, and then click outside. So the number is now appearing well. So, and then the plus sign has disappeared. Select it once more. If you really want to insist that these numbers must be there, so I believe you have to make it have symbols. Like you choose general, and then your symbols can stay. No, really, symbols are not staying. So let's just go back. Let's go back and format it. Special characters, phone numbers. Please leave it at this point. Leave it at this point so that you can have peace of mind. This. So the reason why it is showing us this terrace is that this hashtag is because the column is too narrow for it to appear. So you need to expand it. Then you can key in more values that you want in your table and go back to preview what you have done so far. And this is what we have. The table is looking nice, and we have gotten started. It's looking very, very nice. So the next after that is to format our table, the column for date of birth. Right click and go straight to your format cells. I want to format it as a date and time. You choose the format. I want it to be like this, and click OK. So it's telling me that the column is very, very narrow for it to appear. So I will need to decrease these guys, decrease this one too, then increase it. Let's see if it will have space to appear. Yes, it's appearing now. It automatically chooses when that May 5th was. It was on Thursday, and the June 12th was also on Friday. This is going to be this year. That's 2 days from now. Maybe, yeah, 2 days from now. So we have this one appearing with hashtags, which is not supposed. Double click on the border separator. This is this, and then it will appear. We can key in one more record. Let's say there's Zephaniah. Then we have mail. The phone number is this. Then the date of birth is 9th April 2020. So see, my format has changed. It's no longer reasoning along with me. I can make it April 9, 2020. It will say yes, it automatically fetched when that April 9 fell into. It is on Thursday too, Thursday of this year. So this is what we'll have in Excel, and we're going to dive into working in other formatting features of these columns in Excel in our next class. Please give your undivided attention on how we're going to achieve that. Then before we move down to that side, sometimes you may want to make these your columns to appear bigger. That's the row size. You can right click here and go straight to your row height and increase it to something bigger than 0.25 inch. You can put it to 0.29 inch, and this very one will be bigger. Other ones will not be bigger. So if you want all to be bigger, you need to select all the rows and right click on top of it and increase the height to, let's say, 0.39 inch, and you see everything is nice. That's for these other ones that are selected. Anyone apart from that is not having the same effect on them. So if you want to add a header, you can click here to add a header to this your spreadsheet. So, but this is what it will look like when it is printed out. That's like this. You can go to your print preview to take a look at it and see what it looks like. This is it. This is it. So you can close that, and let's move on to the next stage.